Yes, greetings to the judges. As a first year student, today I am going to introduce my project, which is artificial electromagnetic heart. Yes, during the COVID situation, many people between the age gap 40 to 60, based upon their heart functioning, got affected. Even the heart valves could not function properly. So now in future, if there is an heart failure system for any person, we as an engineer can place the artificial heart. So this artificial heart, constructionally and artificially, it is similar to the natural human heart. You can see on the screen. Now, how this artificial heart will go for the pumping of the blood, how it operates is all about our project. So let me share the screen. So the basic block diagram of artificial art. Yeah, let me check with the screen. Yes, is the first artificial art. In order to create this art, we have to create two magnetic forces. So first we are taking the two coils, the copper wire which is twisted in a circular shape in a simple manner. The two coils we are taking. So here you can see the circuit which is similar to the transformer, but we are having two coils where the two different coils are excited by two different energies. So no need to mention this particular different terminologies. Artificial art basically contains a two different coils, circular coils, which are excited by two different voltages. That is, if this is V1 is 50, V2 should be 100. When two different coils are excited or connected with two different voltages, different currents, I1 and I2 current flows through the different coils at same instant of time. As a result, two different magnetic energies are created, Q1 and Q2. Now let us check with this particular circuit. So what happens if two different magnetic energies are created? The difference of the magnetic energies will drive or turn on any object. That means artificial heart has to on. It has to, when it is on, it has to pump. On and then off, on, off, on, off. Okay. So in this way, the difference of the magnetic energies will drive or turn on any new device. If the magnetic energies are equal to each other, then the functioning of the art equal to 0. So this concept we are implementing here. Okay. So now let us check with the circuit. So artificial art, as we have shown, we are going to construct that one similar to the natural art. Now entire project is based on how the artificial art works. So design of electromagnetic heart and how the heart functions is all about our project. Okay, so now we got the rechargeable battery. Yes, rechargeable batteries, two rechargeable batteries we are taking. These two batteries are connected to switching circuit. This is called oscillator. Here also this circuit should be oscillator. So oscillator is a circuit which generates high frequency signals. Here the frequency is 100 kilohertz. Here the frequency will be megahertz or less than that one. So here I cannot use the 100 kilohertz. Here if it is 100 kilohertz, you must use 30 or 60 less than or greater than. So now let us imagine the electromagnetic art circuit contains two rechargeable batteries which are connected to the two different oscillator circuits. Oscillator is an electronic circuit which converts the DC current to any type of signal. I can generate any type of signal, okay, which changes with respect to time, similar to the AC current. So I can say oscillator converts the DC current to AC as well at different frequencies. So when I say low frequency, I can send the signal to very short distance. If it is high frequency, we can send the signal to long distance. So now my aim is to turn on this artificial heart. How we are going to give energy to this artificial heart is all about the working principle. Electromagnetic heart or artificial heart contains two rechargeable batteries which are connected to two different oscillator circuits which are operating at different frequency. First oscillator circuit is operating at 100 kilohertz. where second oscillator circuit is operating at 100 megahertz high frequency. So these two oscillator circuits create two magnetic energies which are operating at different frequencies. Due to the difference of their energy levels or difference of the magnetic energies, what's going to happen? A force is created, magnetic force. That magnetic force is going to turn on the driver circuit. Driver is an electronic circuit which increases the strength of weak signal to strong signal. That means if the difference of these two signals or magnetic energies is quite low, and artificial heart requires high energy. Once again, the low magnetic energy is increased to the high magnetic energy, and it is going to turn on the artificial heart. So this is the first basic block diagram of the artificial heart. Thank you.